Ow! Ow, Charlie! Ow!
Welcome back. We all know the story of little Charlie and his adorable laugh from the home video recording back in 2007. Now, it was said that this clip was never meant to be released, but because it was, it went viral as one of those famous internet moments. So we decided to see what AI could do to adjust the audio, because we know that many creators out there use different sources of recording devices, but the audio does not always come out the best. Let's lean in.
Ah! Ooh! Ouch! Ow! Ow, Charlie! Ow! Charlie! It really hurts! No, Charlie bit me.
AI did okay on this one, taking out some of the air and static background, but it felt like it was lacking realism because of all of that missing white noise. It also took out the baby's laughter, but oddly left in some of the voices in the background and then amplified them. We then took that audio and asked AI to create the potential mental state that Harry, the one bitten, could have been in. We asked it to add a backing track, and in our opinion, it missed the mark. So we sent the original clip over to the sound engineer and asked if he could make something better. This is one of those moments where life needed a soundtrack.
Ah! Ooh! Ow!
You feel that?
Ow! Ow, Charlie! Ow! Charlie! That really hurt! Charlie bit me.
Tell us what's on your mind. Do you have a moment in your life that could have been a beat? Subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll meet you back here next time.